Hello everyone, I'm in here. I'm back and show you some more project that I have done here. So it's you can see all different tin, Shabby Chic tin here. I make it this needle bolt in the tin box, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 available. And this one this is the first that I made, and it came out not so perfect. This is the first one I made, but it's just the first try, so it turned out not so perfect, so I keep it for myself. So the other one, I keep all this tin in my stash for quite some time, so when I check my craft storage so I found this, so I make this in the needle bolt kit. Okay, let me show you. This is the blue is inside the mini bolt. The needle bolt is the blue color, and also I mesh with this blue. Some I can mesh with the box, but others, so for the kit, you receive one set of this kit, because this is a needle bolt, and a small tiny crochet needle bolt, okay. So this I didn't put anything, but I have provide the button and flower, so you can do what you like. So I put this here, and this cute little tin box. Okay, and the kit came with some printable custom needle bolt, and also with fabric, both. Also this also in the cardstock, also in the fabric, so see what you prefer to do. And this one I glue together with this tag. This is a button tag, so you can see what you will do with this. Okay, and also provide some small flower in the blue, team and white, and the pin and the button, so you can play with all this stuff here. Okay, this one in the white pin and the button. Okay, all these things, so you can play with this. Just in case Luna will come in disturb me, and she's just sitting behind, and now she will coming, and she's so curious. Everything is so new to her, because she's just a 5-month-old baby, and now she will coming. Okay, and also I include some of the snippet trim and flower, I mean snippet laces and trim, so you can play with this with your kit. Okay, this is just a snippet trim and laces. So this is the blue one. I will show you all the boxes. bottom is really different. Okay, piece. This one is purple. If same color, I won't show you the same color. Okay, purple, you can get all these snippet. Okay, and match with the purple honey flower, and I show you the inside. Also, you get this kit, and the purple is this. Okay, so we get this one. Inside here, just in case inside. So purple, I show you purple here. And I'm show you the page color. The page color, you get this snippet places here. Okay, and this one the same, and the button is this. Page color, this one cream color. Okay, this. Okay, this is the set, and this is pink and purple, and the snippet is this one. Okay, and the button I include pink and mix with purple, pink and purple. Okay, and inside is pink with purple. This is another page, and I think that this page, let me check, is it the same? Yes, the same page color, cream color. Yeah. Everything, this one, same. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? And this is the green. And match with this. Button. Match with this snippet. Okay. And inside is green. How you doing? And this one is another green. Yeah, I will show you. Same is the green. Okay, the green I also this one. Okay. In and this one. This is one of my favorite, the tin. I'm not sure if I keep one for myself. If not, I will keep one for myself. Because I like to collect things. That's beautiful tin box. Yeah, this one match with this one, and also the pin as well, with the green and some white. And the slip laces is this. And inside is yeah, this is the page color. Okay. This you have two, but the inside these boxes I have two, but inside is, I think the color is a bit different. Yeah, this is darker. This is the cream. Okay. So got two of these, and this one is page, also the same. My page is the cream. Okay, so I have everything. I got two of these green box and this blue, but inside is the green book. And this one is the blue, this one is the purple. And this one is pink and purple. This one is pink and purple. This one is the page. So I will write down and what color inside the box. So yeah, another one is the page. So I got three of these. Okay, so yeah, if you're interested, just leave your comment under the color choice. Yeah, the photo. Just leave your comments there, and thank you for your stopping by, and yeah, for your support, and thank you so much, and take care, and bye bye.